let's also stream this to YouTube at the same time so people can watch there as well. So welcome everyone. I see a lot of people are jumping in already. That's a good thing. So let's wait a minute so that everyone is here, so that everyone has a chance to be here from the start. So I'll be right back within a minute.
Wow, the room is filling up, Tim. Wow. Guys, let
Yes,
us know if you can hear us.
love to have a good audience.
I love it. It's going to be an amazing session. I mean, the technology is just out of this world. I can't wait to showcase this. Yeah, like Tim said, we're waiting for a few more people to join in. We're already quite at capacity as we speak, but want to give everyone a fair chance to get connected and hop on. Let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. Let me know if you could hear Tim. Let me know if you can see the screen, if you can see the slide. The sooner you do, the faster we can get started, the faster we can get into this. So let us know. I see Anand saying hi in the chat. I see Erica joined us. I see Ramsey all the way from Côte d'Azur. I love it. I see Tom Cardwell in the house. Anthony, PJ, I love it. All these beautiful people, very interactive audience. That's how I like to see it. And please do make sure to show up live, to interact, to be here, to be present. That's how you're going to get the most out of this. We're going to show you something extremely powerful, never seen before, out of this world technology. If I'm being honest, state of the art, top notch, putting you immediately at the top of the food chain when it comes to video marketing. We're going to talk about how powerful it is, why it's so powerful. We're going to do an amazing demo as usual. You can ask all your questions. It's going to be fun. So, yeah, I think, Tim, do you think we're good to get started?
Yeah, let's get started. So I appreciate everyone for jumping on. There are many people here, so good. Everyone can hear us. We see a lot in the chat already. So welcome to this webinar. We are excited, and as you can see here on the first slide, this is me. It's actually a little bit older photo, and Ankit, who is my partner. And yeah, most of you know me. If you don't know me, my name is Tim Verdouw, and I'm an affiliate marketer. I'm a top affiliate marketer, actually. And one thing that I love to do is to look at products and to review products, because I simply love software products. I'm easy discovering new software. I love to play with it. I love to review software. That's also what I'm known for, and that's also how I met Ankit. And Ankit is, at the other hand, a programmer, and he loves to create software. So his passion is to create high quality software. So Ankit is my main partner, and we've worked on a brand new product, which is a follow-up of our previous product. I know that there are a lot of people also here that have purchased SiteBuilder, which was a website creation platform that allows you to create websites from a few keywords. Now, we took that process and we've done something amazing with it for video as well. So we can't wait to tell you about this. But before we do so, I'm going to hand it over to Rahim. He's the master at doing webinars. He's going to take you through some training as well. And yeah, I can't wait to show you the software that we created as well. So Rahim, take it over from here. And everyone, welcome.
Awesome. I see a few more people joined us from the UK. Amazing. Dan from Florida, New York, New Jersey. Perfect. All right, let's make it happen. Ladies and gentlemen, hyper intelligent video AI creates mesmerizing content for your products, for your services, whether you're maybe an affiliate yourself or you have your own product again, or you're running an agency. You'll be able to get leads and sales with video without having to even show your face or record anything at all. It is truly amazing when you get to see it. And therefore, this webinar is not just something that's information upon information. It's going to transform you right after this webinar. It's going to transform the way you do your business, and more importantly, it's going to transform your results. So I'm super excited that you're here. And as a matter of fact, the people that take action today, I can even say that you'll see more growth in your business than any other software can promise. And you'll soon see why we're able to make such bold statements. Because ladies and gentlemen, you should know by now that video is the absolute highest consumed type of content right now. In the last few years, videos has become a significant importance all over the world when it comes to consuming content. And it's the number one most consumed piece. And that should tell you something in terms of making sure you double down on video marketing right now. Now, therefore, I want to jump into two quick principles right off the bat. Number one is the principle of qualified attention. And that is that the best way to get highly qualified traffic today is by leveraging value-based video marketing. We're going to show you how to do that. We're going to do an amazing demo, like we said earlier as well. And then number two is money loves speed, right? The fastest way to quickly build a recurring five-figure income is by being able to produce converting videos quickly for any situation. If it takes you weeks, days, or even months to produce a high-quality piece of asset, you're not going to be consistent. Algorithm is not going to pick you up, and it's going to be a slow run. You need to be able to look at an offer today and have a video out that very same moment, because video marketing has created the most business success stories out of everyday people. Every single person, and just nobody special with video, they've been able to blow up. It's responsible for lead generation, sales and conversions, engagement, nurtured, allows to book calls. It is literally the highest converting asset in 2023 and beyond. And that's why Tim and Ankit have been focusing on this so well, because they know anyone with the right power to be able to produce high quality videos in an instant has such a high chance of success. And that's what we're going to present to you today. Like, and a recent statistic of Forbes, but also the Statistica, a lot of stats on this, is just undoubtedly that right now videos outperforming any other content piece online. And here's why this is perfect for you, what we're about to show you. There's no learning curve, or pretty much no learning curve, as AI will pretty much do it all for you without having to record the videos and without needing a list or an audience to begin with. And the best part is, you don't even need video marketing experience. You won't have to start to find clients and leads. We're going to show you an amazing way to generate those, and without needing any authority. You might as well just started your entire career an hour ago before this webinar, and this will still work for you. And therefore, the people that take action here today will make money in any industry, whether you're in the health and wellness space, or health and fitness, or the online business space, or any other space for that matter. You'll be able to leverage this, because video is of significant importance across all industries. So after today's training, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're excited. You will have expert level video content creation skills that will allow you to get leads and sales consistently. Now, you heard the man speak, Tim, just now, and you heard about his amazing partner, Ankit, as well. I just want you to know, for the people that don't know him, I have the privilege of working with these amazing and brilliant people. And in case you didn't know, you're in good hands here today. They are, like I said, Tim is an award-winning online entrepreneur, a top number 1% super affiliate, which, if you might say as well, is a lot because of videos. He leverages videos nonstop to get to this success. And then Ankit, here's a professional software developer, and his products are responsible for so many success stories in the industry, whether people starting from scratch, whether people are complete beginners, or they're more advanced. He's able to create the right tools, the right softwares that are unique and help people scale from any level. So therefore, I want you to say you're in good hands here today. What we're about to show you is going to be amazing. So we always come bearing gifts. Let me know if you're staying until the end. Now that we've done the little intro, you know what this is about. Let me know if you're excited and looking forward to staying until the end. Just give me a quick yes in the chat box if you do. And for those of you that say yes, we're going to review a bonus for you at the end. So all you have to do is comment yes in the chat box. Even if you haven't said a single word so far, now it's in your best interest to jump to the keyboard and type yes. I see Rashad, I see James, I see Doug, I see Erica. Hey, Paul.
It's exploding here.
Exploding for sure. Larry's in the house. Arthur, Richard, Dennis, Heather, amazing. You guys are freaking beautiful. All right, without further ado, I appreciate your time. So I want to go fast forward. Let's get right into the 3 secrets we'll be sharing with you. Obviously, an amazing product demo, all the ins and outs. How can you make money with it? How does the tool work in the first place? Why is it so powerful? Why is it so different? You're going to learn it all right now. So secret number 1, we're going to dive into instant video domination, the secret video AI that gives anyone an unfair advantage, allowing them to dominate the market with hyper converting videos. Again, videos is where it's at right now. If you're not marketing with videos, you're missing out. Number 2, instant video income. How you can now easily make over $300 to $500 a day and have customers standing in line begging to create a mesmerizing video for them. And then last but not least, you were smart enough to show up to the webinar, so you'll be getting special access. the exclusive access portal to the one and only AI that creates leads and sales generating videos, revealing our first webinar only super discounted access pack available to nobody else other than the people that were smart enough to be here live. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's jump right in. Secret number one, instant video domination, crazy new powerful AI we've secretly been testing behind the scenes. Now, let's do a little quiz. And you've been amazing in the chat box so far. So I just want to go ahead and see a little bit more of that interaction. Just give me an A or B real quick. Who do you consider or believe is a more qualified lead? Now, the answer is going to be pretty straightforward, but I'm going to show you why in a second as well. Do you think it's a person that actually sat down and consumed a 5-minute value video or video explanation or a sales video, or a person that's kind of on its own, scrolling through a page, trying to make sense of all the text that you're trying to scroll through? Which person do you think is a more warmer, pre-sold, and educated lead? A or B? Let's see if we're dealing with some smart marketers in the house. I see a lot of A's coming in. A, Kevin. A, Dagung. A, Ramsey. Michael. Doug. A. Lots of A's. All right. So it is without a doubt A. Congratulations. And this is because right now the formula is simple, right? If you haven't seen it around you, you haven't seen, even if you go outside right now, you look at the everyday person, whether they're in the waiting room, whether they're standing in line, they're watching a video on their mobile device or any device they carry with them. They're always watching either a short or a snippet of a video or a little podcast, video. And that's because the formula right now, the easiest lead gen and money-making model is this. You create highly valuable videos in your industry, for your business, for your blog, for whatever it is that you promote, and then you publish it. You let the algorithm place it in front of the right person. We live in a day and age where the AI is so smart to understand based on what the video is, it shows it to the right person. All you have to do is feeding the algorithm, making sure it's quality, making sure it's valuable, making sure people love it, making sure it's either entertaining or educational, and you need to be, first and foremost, consistent. If you can do this, you can blow up with ease. We've seen time and time again. You've most likely seen it around you as well. And then from there, the video obviously has a call to action that takes people to either a landing page, a sales page, or an opt-in page to capture and convert that lead. Now, I want to go over a few stats because this is exactly what you're going to be able to do in a second when we're going to show you the demo. And I want you to know why this is so powerful. Is according to Overlaw, which is one of the biggest statistics on this as well, is the demand for video content is increasing, right? 91% of consumers want to see more online video content from brands. Not only that, 8 out of 10 people have purchased a piece of software or app after watching a brand's video. And I don't just want you to take my word for it or Overlaw, which clearly tested this out or did a survey on this, but I want you to think about your own spending behavior, right? I mean, if anything, we're all watching a video right now, which is here live. But even before, when you purchase a product, a software, a training, a course, you've most likely consumed a video beforehand. It is the most powerful converting mechanism, also client attracting mechanism online right now. And that's why all platforms, both social media, but also websites, are all gearing towards that. Now, videos role in the internet traffic, if we look at last year, 82% of global internet traffic just came from video streaming, which is insane, right? Now, I want you to understand with what you're about to get here today, anyone can start getting leads and sales this way for any product or service. And I'll actually prove it to you, right? If you have access to what we have access to, right? You see here, simple content creators, literally nobody special. Miss Lacey added up to $10,000 for revenue, just being consistent, putting out video. Tessa Barclay, right? Amassed 5,600 followers on one platform, then 10.3K on TikTok, and all she does is produce video, right? And you see this one right here, this beer commercial, really funny, completely generated with AI, fully went viral, right? You'll be able to market like this now, creating highly valuable videos, professional in a way you've never seen before, because obviously there are tools where you can create videos. It's not the first time that's possible, but most of them were lacking something. Most of them were videos were too simple, too inefficient, no quality, right? The scripts were not there. It was not converting. But what you're about to see next, with one keyword, the videos you'll create will have people spending so much watch time with you. It's easy to convert and generate that traffic. All right. So all you have to do moving forward, I want you to understand, if anything you take from this webinar, is start feeding the algorithm, both your website, both the social platforms, with video. Even if you've never uploaded the video before, just open up a YouTube account, start creating a video and start posting. It is the easiest lead gen and money-making model right now, because the algorithm takes your video and pushes it to whoever they think will watch it the most. You just need to produce. So you might be wondering, why is not everyone doing this then? Well, obviously before AI, putting out high converting videos was really, really time consuming. And what I particularly struggled with was I wasn't always comfortable in front of camera. I was not sure what to say and record. I had no time to record manually. I had no time to edit the videos accordingly. And I would often have to pay either monthly or yearly subscriptions to a lot of video editing tools. And even now, with most AI, crazy enough, there is still a lot of manual work involved. And then even if you do anything and anything, the video is very generic, very simple, very basic, not of high value. But that is all about to change due to these two brilliant people, because Tim Ferdau and Ankit Mehta have been spending a whole year developing video AI that is bound to scale any business from scratch. I mean, just from these photos alone, you can already see the quality about what's the way inside for you. So let me ask you one final question, and then it's time for the demo, ladies and gentlemen. I know you're waiting for that one. Imagine you have access, and pause is right here. Imagine you have access to the newest technology in video creation today that creates mesmerizing content with just one keyword. I mean, just look at how utterly good this looks. Imagine you'll be able to create that with the click of a button for any offer you put your eyes on, for any product, for any service, or for any client of this quality. Now, knowing how powerful video marketing is today for any business, right? For example, studies show that adding a video to a landing page alone can increase conversion rates up to 80%. It's crazy, up by 80% just by adding a high value video, a high quality video to a landing page. If you were able to do that, just like Tim, just like Ankit, just like the people who shared it with, do you see yourself growing your business with more leads and sales faster? Let me know in the chat box. And those of you that say yes, we got something really special to show you. Well, let's see if you're in it to win it. Let me know in the chat box. Do you see yourself on this Christmas special grow your business a lot faster, generating more leads and sales if you're able to consistently flood the algorithm with high quality, mesmerizing, cinematic, educational, entertainment, and value videos around any topic for any industry around the clock with the click of a button? Let me know. I see yeses from Richard. I see Jenny says yes. Marjan says yes. Michael says yes. Jonathan says yes. Rob says yes. John, Harold. I see Ivor Livingston. Yes. Dr. Ivor Vance. Lots of yeses. You guys are freaking fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make it happen. What I'm about to show you, I want you to pay very close attention, because that is exactly what VidDash will do for you and your business. Now, if you want us to do the full release, do the full demo, comment VidDash in the chat box. Let's get some energy going. And sit back and watch closely as VidDash is going to change your business, change the industry, as there's literally nothing like this out there. And the people that have access to this are able to immediately accelerate the results from the ground up. Comment VidDash in the dashboard, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have a look at the full release. I see lots of people saying VidDash, VidDash, Jonathan, Jim, Rashad. I see you, Dennis, Kevin, Arthur, Through the Snow, Larry. I love it. You guys are fantastic. Let's make it happen. Here we go.
Hey there, and welcome to this demo of VidDash AI. Now with VidDash, you can let our AI write a video for you from a keyword or a phrase. Simply enter your keyword and our tool will create a unique, engaging video for you. Another option is to choose from one of our 100 templates to get started on your video, or simply start from scratch. To get started, we first go to our videos, and from here we can choose what kind of video we want to create. We can create videos by using AI, we can create videos from a template, or we can start from scratch. In this case, I'd like to show you how you can start by using AI. Create your project in here. So in this case, let's go for a 7-day workout and click on submit. On the next screen, you need to decide your topic. So in this case, this is exactly the same. We want to create a video for a 7-day workout. Then here we could choose what kind of language we'd like to create the video in. So these are the supported languages at this moment. In this case, I'd like to go with English and I'm going to press next. Now VidDash will automatically create an outline for us that we could use. If you like, you can also change this and say, for example, we can add day 8 or we can change the existing outline. But I like to use the outline the way it is right now. So let's click on submit again. And from here, the AI will generate the video for us. It will add all the videos, it will add all the text, everything we need to create a high quality video. As you can see, the videos are being added in the background. And once done, we click on next, where we can choose one of the templates that we'd like to use. So in this case, I like to use this template and I'm going to click submit. And as you can see, VidDash has now created a video for us. Now at the beginning, you noticed that VidDash created an outline for us. And here you can see each slide that has been created for this outline. Now to change your video, let's go to the first slide here. And from here you can see that a video has been added. When you click on an element, you see the play button. So let's click on this. And this is the video that has been added to this specific scene. Now if you like to change the video, you simply go to the library. Now you could choose your own media that you've uploaded to VidDash, or you could use third-party media. So let's do that. From here, you could choose between images, videos, GIF files, or stickers. So let's go with a video and let's search for workouts. As you can see here in the search results, we see a lot of videos to choose from. So let's say we like to choose this video. Then you simply drag and drop this to the area where you would like to have this video. So as you can see, when I hover with my mouse over specific areas, I can add this to the background. I can add this even to this circle if I like to. But let's replace the current video here. As you can see, now the current video has been replaced. Now for each element, when you select an element, you have specific options here at the right side of the screen. So you could change the opacity here. So let's say you want to have 50% opacity. You could change that. You could change the radius of the borders. So let's say we want to add a 15 pixel radius. You can see that a radius has been added now to the video. And you can add filters to your video as well. So let's say we want to add a linear here, linear filter. We can change the color in here as well. So let's say we'd like to go red here as well. We set the opacity of red. Now you can see red has been added to the video. And again, you can choose different filters. So we can also do a vignette here or a tint at the beginning. Let's go with the vignette. Let's choose the red color again here, because that's pretty cool, as you can see. Now you can change the border here. You could loop a video, which is recommended. That means that the video will continuously playing when the voiceover does its work for you. You can also upload your own captions and subtitles. When you click a video or a selection on the screen, you also have the option here below a section that you select. So let's say we also want to add a border here, a black border. We type here 5 for 5 pixels. We hit enter, and now we can also choose the color of the border. So let's say we also want to go with a red border here. We simply select the red color, and look, now we have a red border on our video. Now for each element that you select on your page, you can change all the things here at the right side. So for the layout again, you can change the text. If you like to have a different font, you can choose from a font library here. You can change the weight of the font. You can change the colors here. So let's say we want to have this headline red as well. We simply change that, and we can change all the details here at the right side of the screen. Also, it comes with animation. So for each element on your page, you can decide what animation you would like to use. So for example, if you like to drop the text, or you want to fade in, or fly in from the left, or fly in from the top, or you want to pulse this, simply select one of these effects and look at this, is being added to your element. So for example, we can also change this element. We say fly in. Let's say we want to do this pulse as well. We simply select it and look at this. It will be added to our video. This way you will be able to change each and every slide of your video. VidDash also comes with layers. So let's select another scene here. And let's say we like to have this round circle not on top of this video. Then we go to layers here. And as you can see here, we have all the different layers. Now what we can do is we can move the circle below the video and look at this. We change the order of the elements. And we can do the same thing for each specific slides. We can move things around if we like to. We can change each element. And also you can copy elements from previous pages. Simply select an element, like say we would like to copy this red circle. We do Command C or Control C on the PC. We go to the other slide and we paste it in here, Control V or Command V on the Mac. You can simply move this to wherever you like. So let's say we want to add this to the right top and we want to add another one. We can paste that in here and let's move this circle here below the video and this circle as well. And now we're done. And we can play each scene to see how it looks like. Simply hit the play button and you can see what happens. Again, this video has no effect. So let's select this video, add an animation here. Let's fly in from the left. And now let's play this scene again and boom. This is the specific slide. Now, when you're done with your work, you can save your content here. But you can also add extra slides. To do so, you click on the plus here. And from here, you can go to the template section to choose one of the templates. As you can see, it comes with many templates that you can choose from and simply pick one and start working on it. So let's say we'd like to use this one. You simply select this one. You go back to your videos and now you can add another video. So let's say we want to have another workout video. You can simply drag and drop this. And now we have this. We can move the elements in here. We can change the elements in here. And again, once you're done, click on save and your work is done. Now the next process is to publish your video. So when you click on publish, you can see each slide and also the voiceover that comes with this slide. If you like to change this voiceover, you can do this in this area. Simply change whatever you like to change. And you can do that for each specific slide. And now we're going to select a speaker for our voiceover. VidDash comes with high quality voiceovers. Let's select a language, in this case, let's say English. Let's say United Kingdom. And from here you can choose the voices. I like this Sonia, so let's click on play.
Hello, I'm Sonia. I can convert your text to a human.
So if we like to use this voice, we click on select and then we send the voice over. And then the next step is to select our music. So when you click on music, it will open a music library where you can choose from the different music. Let's say we want to do Calm in the Sun. Simply select this, change the volume of the music and click on OK. Click on render and now your video is rendered in the background, and once it's done, you'll receive an email where you can download your video. And to show you an example, here's a video I've created before.
The 7-day fitness program is designed to help individuals kickstart their fitness journey and build a healthy routine. Day 1. Get started with a cardio workout for beginners to kickstart your fitness journey. Try activities like brisk walking, cycling, or dancing to get your heart pumping and build stamina. Day 2 of the workout program focused on strength training with bodyweight exercises. Participants challenged their muscular endurance and power using their own body weight as resistance, promoting functional strength and stability.
And that's how easy you can create professional videos with VidDash. The next option is to create videos from a template. As you can see, VidDash comes with a lot of video templates that you can choose from. Simply pick one of the templates to preview them. As you can see here, you can see the different slides that are available inside this template. Click on Use this template. And now you can modify each template here in the video editor. Simply add your elements. One thing I haven't showed you is that you can also add different shapes and stickers to your video. Look at this. You simply select one of them, move them to the area where you would like to add it, change the color, move it around, rotate it, and add text on top of it. And so for each slide, add your own elements, modify it to your own needs, and once finished, click on Save, click on Publish, and repeat the process. And that's how easy you can create videos with VidDash.
Wow, wow, wow. Ladies and gentlemen, let me go ahead and ask you, who here absolutely loved what they just saw? That fitness video always blows my mind. The fact that that's completely AI generated, just think of the possibilities. You can create VSLs, which is something a lot of people don't have, holding them back from converting all their leads and their audience. A proper video sales letter, content, lead magnets, courses. You can literally create anything of high quality, a nice and realistic human sounding voice, and something that's valuable and educational at the same time, or entertaining. You can start a channel in any niche. And as long as you stay consistent, as long as you post, as long as you feed the algorithm, you build up watch time and you grow your business. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know in the chat box if you absolutely love that right there. I see Doug saying, I love it. John says, I want it right now. Erica says, love, unbelievable. Very timely for me. Definitely great. Yeses, 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 loved it. Awesome. Powerful. Paul says, love it. Arthur throws up a heart. Dennis loves it as well. You guys are freaking amazing. Now, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, Tom, I see you as well. Tom says, love it. Now, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for secret number one right there, instant video domination. And the name says it all. Anyone that has this can immediately dominate with video, right? Everything's done for you, the scripts, the visuals, you're ready to go. And the fact that the thing I love the most is the voice that sounds so real. I've seen other video generated or AI video generation. It was very robotic. It was very stagnant. It was very low quality, and also the images sometimes were very generic. It didn't match the actual content or topic of the video, and those are all things that does not happen right here with VidDash. You're literally dominating with top quality, high quality videos that you can use to promote anything. Speaking of which, instant video income, right? Because there are a lot of different ways you can monetize this, and we obviously want you to make a lot of money with this. Like you know as well, Tim is the top 1% affiliate, mainly due to what? Due to publishing videos. So I'm going to show you how you can use this, and what ways you can use this, how you can do this for other people, have them pay you easily, where to find those people, but also you can use it to promote and sell any other product. So how we easily make, or how you can easily make $300 to $500 a day, having customers standing in line, begging to create, or begging you to create a mesmerizing video. So it goes without saying that you can use VidDash for yourself and for clients, right? Whether you're a coach or you want to work with coaches, whether you're an affiliate or you want to work with affiliates or agencies or small businesses, influencers, e-commerce, and niche course vendors, you can serve all of them with the click of a button now that you'll have access to VidDash. As a matter of fact, the highest in-demand marketing service right now is video. Because more and more people are starting to realize the importance of video, and they don't know. They don't know what they don't know. They don't know how to create them. They don't have time for them. Like a small business owner is good at running that business. They have a passion, but they didn't sign up for video marketing. That's not in their wheelhouse. And they realize that everything around them starts revolving around putting out videos on their website, on their socials. It's all and should be video. And that's why this perfectly opens up a hands-free video management agency for you. Because businesses know the power of video, but just have no idea how to produce them effectively, right? They either don't know what kind of videos to make, which again, VidDash can solve for you. They don't have time to edit the videos. Again, VidDash can solve that for them. Or they're just not consistent. And this is something I suffered from back in the day, whereas, yeah, I knew videos were important. I knew kind of how to create them, but I just couldn't get to doing it every single time. Again, VidDash solves this problem. I always like to share a list of easy to get clients. I take a screenshot of this. Please do, because you'll be able to pick up clients left, right, and center. As a matter of fact, I'll show you who wants me to show where to easily find people that are looking for someone that can help them with a video right now. Let me know. Do you want me to show that? Let me know in the chat box. I'll easily show it to you. I see yeses, yeses. I do. Show it. Let's have some fun. Guys, I'm going to do this on the spot. This was not scripted, but I just want to show you how easy it is and how high in demand this is. So I'm actually going to go to Facebook or LinkedIn or any other platform. I'm going to do Facebook right now. Let me go and share this tab instead. You should be able to see my Facebook right now, right? So I'm just going to type in, I need video editor. Press enter. And I'll just do post. And look at that. 1 hour ago, I need a professional video editor. 1 hour ago, I need a professional video editor. Hello, I need to get a professional video editor urgently. 3 hours ago, right? The list goes on and on. I need a video editor. Contact me. I need a professional and perfect video editor. 26 minutes ago. Person only has one comment. If I blink my eyes and refresh this page, I'll have 50 to 100 new people that are looking for video. I don't think people realize or fathom the amount of money anyone can easily pick up by doing video editing for anyone. And the great thing is, the AI does it all for you. I need a video editor. 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 It just goes on and on. Another hour ago, I need a video editor, right? I need a video editor for my faceless videos. I need a professional and perfect video editor. I need a video editor for this. I need a video editor $50 a month. I need it fast, just for a short. These are all things you can create with VidDash. I need a video and images editor for a product. I need a video editor to edit a tutorial video. The budget is $350. Ladies and gentlemen, do you see the crazy potential of what's in front of you? I just did a random search, went on to Facebook, and I instantly found what? Dozens of people begging, searching for anyone that can help them create a video. I haven't even looked for course creators. I can refine my search because they know a lot and have a lot of expertise, but they don't know how to create a video around it. We can make that happen, just like you saw in the demo. Now, all I have to do is send these people a sample. Say, hey, I noticed you're looking for a video. Here's actually what I can create for you. Let me know if you want that. Oh, perfect. How much do you charge? That's the whole conversation flow. Let me know if you like that, ladies and gentlemen. Let me head back to the chat box. I see awesome, awesome. So with that being said, there's so much money to be made right now for anyone that picks up VidDash. You can offer a service that is the highest in demand. Anyone that comes to me and says, Raheem, how can I make money online? What would you recommend me to do? I always tell them go with video. Every single person right now wants a video in some way or form. If you position yourself in that stream, the piece of the pie is big enough for you to profit pretty much instantly. Now, for some of you, you don't want to do this as an agency. You maybe just want to do this for your own products, or like Tim, you just want to promote other people's products with high converting videos. And you can do that as well. You can pick up any affiliate offer, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Pay Kickstart, whatever platform, whatever product you're an affiliate for, a reseller for. You can now create the perfect videos to promote it. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know in the chat box, can you now see how having access to VidDash immediately opens up an instant income stream of at least $400 to $500 per day? Let me know if you can see that. In today's day and age where we live in, everything revolves around video, and it's only getting bigger. All the social platforms are now leaning and heavily emphasizing and focus on video. It's a different time. There's tools and devices coming out strictly for video. Let me know in the chat box, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. I see amazing yeses, yeses, yeses. I love it. I love it. I love it. Lots of yeses. Awesome. What a bump in revenue. Yes, PJ, I see you. Leonie, I see you. Dwight, I see you. Now you can do this over and over again. I mean, all I did was go to Facebook. I typed in, I need video editor. You don't need to be Facebook savvy. You don't need even have to have all kinds of things on Facebook or anything. Just, I need video editor. You find the person. They don't care about you, who you are, where you're from. They just want to see what you can do. You go to VidDash. You pick your best sample. There are already beautiful templates out there. Send it over. Say, hey, are you looking for something like this? If so, let's get to work. Say, awesome. What do you charge? You give them the price point. And I'll tell you, if you charge them $200, $300, $400, they'll consider you even cheap. You can make them a special deal. You collect the cash. You go on to the next. I haven't even spoken about Upwork yet. I haven't even gone to LinkedIn yet. There are people left, right, and center that once you have VidDash, money opens up. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for secret number 2, instant video income. I just want you to realize that the tool is not only extremely powerful for what you want to create for your blogs, for your website, for your own products and services, for your own value videos, because you need to put out videos out there as well for yourself, for whatever you're promoting, for whatever you stand for. But you can also do it for others and make a whole lot of money with it. Remember, if anything, just feed the algorithm. Starting today, open up your VidDash account and just feed the algorithm and watch it grow. Because the algorithm knows, oh, this is a good type of video. We're going to show it to this person, see if they like it. Apparently they liked it. Please upload more videos like that. You just keep giving it. That's all you have to do to build a wildly profitable audience moving forward. Which takes us to secret number 3. I only got one question. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you've seen this amazing tool, you see Tim do an amazing demo. You see the monetization value of this. Who wants to know everything you're getting today because you were smart enough to show up on the webinar special? I can assure you that each and every single one of you, what you see here live on this webinar is not available to anyone outside of this webinar. This is only for you guys. You're the ones we love because you are loyal, you show up, and we do this for you. Let me know if you want this. Comment yes in the chat box. Let me show you the whole 9 yards of what you're about to get. I see lots of yeses. Again, Vance, Arthur, Dwight, John in the house, Jenny, Justin, Eddie. I want to know, the Goon, Sim, Dennis, Marjan. I love it. I love it. Erica and Richard and Jim and Michael and James and Tom. The names keep going. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let me spill the beans. You're going to get the whole 9 yards, and even better, you're going to get it all with a whopping 60% discount, which is quite frankly unheard of when it comes to a tool like this. So I'm going to go ahead and show this to you. There we go. The VidDash AI with all the upgrades included, only for you guys on the webinar with 60% discount. Now, here's what you're going to get. First of all, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You're going to get the VidDash AI commercial access. So you get immediately a commercial license to create and sell videos to your clients, right? Because you can make a lot of money with this. So it's only fair that you have access to that. Now, initially, you can only create up to 50 videos. But since you're on this webinar, you'll be able to create unlimited videos. I'll jump into that in a second. 100 plus premium template slides, and choose from over 100 templates in multiple niches. And you saw on the demo, these templates are cinematic, high quality value that make a person think, where did you go to video school? It is that good. The stock footage and everything, it is crisp, it is clear. It makes your video stand out over any other crappy generic video out there. You have an AI ID generator, so it actually crafts the ID for the video. You have obviously the video content generator, so it creates all the content for the video. The auto voiceover, which you all heard sounds extremely realistic. You have over 100 plus premium music tracks, drag and drop editor, smooth as ever drag and drop, not clunky, not you need to be tech savvy for it. It's just child's play. Stock integration, over 3 million plus stock images, videos, GIFs, shapes with search. Animation, so basically you just search, I need this, and it immediately shows that to you. So you don't have to scroll to 3 million types of assets. Animate images, shapes, videos with one click. Upload your own image and videos. Maybe you have an existing video that you want to go ahead and make even better with AI. Upload your own music. You can do image and video masking. You can image and video filters and overlays. Multiple languages supported. 500 plus fonts to choose from. Advanced layer management. 30 plus ready to use text blocks that you can use over any video. If you're maybe selling something or you want to write something or say something, obviously the AI can come up with all of that as well. And create videos for clients and charge them either one time or monthly. Now you're going to get access to that, but it doesn't stop there. Because since you're on the webinar, you're immediately going to get upgraded to the pro level. And the pro level includes 15 of our highest converting exclusive pro templates only for you on the webinar. It will remove all VidDash AI branding. So it's all you. Unlimited videos, so you're no more capped at 50. Definitely if you want to dominate YouTube in your niche, you want to be able to publish unlimitedly. Unlimited videos, unlimited video renders, unlimited campaigns, unlimited premium fonts, HD rendering, faster video rendering because you're a pro level user, team access up to 10 users, commercial rights included, plus we have our premium support team on deck to help you, and you get the regular monthly update. So whenever we introduce a new feature, a new update, you immediately get that added into your account, and we got some great things planned in the pipeline. Now, it doesn't stop there. Read up commercial. It's actually really interesting. Because right now, you might see some people that blow up really well do this. Maybe if you're on Instagram, you see this a lot, is where people are taking an existing piece of content that's really viral already has a lot of value to it, and they just make it even better, or they add things to it. So they either do some more content around it, a reaction video around it, or they pieces. So they start with that video and then move it into their own videos. So here's what they meant by that video, and then they go and release their own piece of content. This is what I like to call standing on the shoulders of giants. You can import directly from YouTube, Vimeo, Google Drive for direct upload. Great videos and make them even better. Now you have precision transcription, meaning you can convert audio to text with unmatched accuracy. You have AI instant translation, so you can tap into 140 plus languages instantly, so you can dominate any market. You have authentic voiceovers, over 100 minutes of diverse linguistic renditions. You have the AI speaker detection, seamless identification of multiple voices, voice customization, choose from 500 plus unique voices, fine-tuned for emotion. Emotion AI, this is out of this world. Guys, this is what I'm saying. For those of you that get this, you will have state-of-the-art, not some average, rehearsed little AI software that can create a quick video that is mediocre. All tools will be inferior to what you have access to. With the Emotion AI, you'll breathe life into your content with 15 plus emotional nuances that are extremely expensive and out of this world to have access to. Dynamic subtitles boost viewer engagement even with sound off. Multilingual captions expand your global footprint with subtitles in numerous languages. You have the AI animated captions, captivate audiences with dynamic text animations. You have content editing, modify your video to resonate with viewer sentiments. Original audio retention, so you preserve the genuine feel of your videos. Human oversight, so assurance of top-notch quality and accuracy. And versatile outputs, meaning you can export seamlessly from PDFs to SRTs, any type of style you want to export in. 10-minute per campaign audio duration, and newbie friendly and fully cloud-based. Now I just have to ask, ladies and gentlemen, are you loving this offer so far? Do you like what you're seeing so far? You're getting the commercial right here. You're getting the pro version, 15 exclusive additional templates, unlimited videos, faster video rendering, and then on top of that, you're getting the, oh, I'm about to show this one. Ooh, almost spilled the beans on that. Let me know if you're loving what you're seeing so far, because the next one is going to be even better. If you already like this, I can guarantee you what you're about to get access to next, just because you were smart enough to jump on the webinar, it's going to blow you out of the water. That's why we always encourage people, show up live. You get access to things that nobody else gets access to because we value you more. Because of you, we do this. I see John says, hurry, I want to get the checkout. I hear you, John. Loud and clear, let's make it happen. Ladies and gentlemen, Who here loves traffic and wants more traffic? Because if you want more traffic, we're going to give you that. You're going to get the VidDash AI template club. What this does, you'll be able to turn your videos into Google web stories. And with one click, you'll get millions of free organic traffic from Google. It is unheard of. It's a brand new type of technology specialized with AI together. With VidDash AI web stories, you can help businesses, marketers, entrepreneurs, designers to build, distribute, and monetize visual, engaging Google web stories faster without any coding. They can be monetized for 300% more profits. You supercharge your videos by converting them into web stories. A lot of people are not even using this, super untapped. You get free traffic from Google by using the Google Stories feature. A lot of people are not even aware that's possible. It SEO ranks, and again, it's 300% more profitable, goes directly to the page 1 of Google and attracts maximum traffic on any topic, even if you're a beginner, even if you're a nobody, even if you've just started your business today. Because right now, Google's heavily pushing web stories. Because it notices TikTok has stories, Snapchat has stories, heck, even LinkedIn now has the stories feature, WhatsApp has the stories feature, Facebook has the stories feature, Instagram has the stories feature. Google doesn't want to miss out. So right now they're rewarding anyone and everyone that uses their platform to leverage stories as well. You get better traffic than Instagram, Twitter, and even YouTube for free. Why? Because people that search on Google are people that search with buyer intent. You search for something specifically because you need a solution to your problem. So because you're on this webinar, you're going to get access to that as well. You're also going to get access to Replier, which is really cool, which allows you to get 500 video editions, manage videos effortlessly on a world-class platform, one-click video integration, add, stream, and play videos from various URLs, website embedded option, playlist and project creation, efficient navigation, versatile sharing options, customizable video player. So this is literally where you can host your videos, play them, create a nice playlist, basically have your own hub to dominate with video and send people to watch videos in. It's fully SEO optimized. It's cost-free for hosting, because obviously if you're going to create a lot of videos, you need to host them somewhere. You can create a full-on high-converting video page or video sales page from Replier, public and private access, regular software updates, only for our webinar people, user-friendly interface, comprehensive training, and commercial rights included. Now, the last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, is the read up, and I actually explained that one above as well, which is you'll have access to the most realistic human sounding voices in your video. The translation spot on and accurate, and like I said, the emotions AI that actually breathe life, because I've seen so many great videos ruined by robotic voices that you can't stand to listen to longer than a minute. Heck, 30 seconds already too much. Now with Read Up, you have nice, smooth, and perfect sounding videos that people would love to buy from you or listen or watch from you. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let me recap everything you're getting here today. And we actually have an additional bonus that I haven't revealed yet. But just so you know, you're going to get access to the VidDash AI, your account. You're going to immediately be upgraded to the Pro Unlimited. You're also going to get access to the AI Template Club, and you're getting the AI Replayer upgrade and the Read Up level access. Now, I want to make it quick. So here's what I'm going to do. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want a special bonus added into your VidDash account, comment bonus in the chat box right now. I'll have the team take care of it, because what we're going to do is this is only for live webinar VidDash accounts. If you create your account outside of this webinar, it's not going to happen. If you're on this webinar with us, and I see a lot of you are, we're going to give you the 100% white label, meaning not just white label. Oh, you can swap out your logo. You can have your own domain. You can have your own logo, your own branding, the whole 9 yards, as if it's your own precious baby, if it's your own creation. 100% white label rights. You're going to get access to that as well, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to get the whole 9 yards. So you got the account access, the Pro Unlimited. I mean, this one will get you traffic, the web stories, Replier upgrade to Read Up level access, and because you're on this webinar, the 100% white label as well. Now, the normal price to get access to this immensely powerful tool that will guaranteed scale your business up, because video is right now the movement, you have to pay normally $4,000. Now, obviously, we're not going to charge you anywhere near that. You were smart enough to come to the webinar, so we're not going to do the 3997. You're during this special launch training taking action. So the normal sales price is actually 997, but even so, that is the sales page price. Now we have a separate page just for webinar users. The webinar sale is 297, dropping it all the way down to get access to state-of-the-art video creation that will not only set you at the top of the food chain, but will allow you to make more money than you could have ever made. Because if you are able to produce videos of this quality easily and effortlessly and consistently, you cannot lose online. Now, we want to do something crazy real quick. Here's what we're going to do. Who is going to buy right now and wants an additional $50 off right now? Let me know in the chat box. Who is going to grab VidDash, the full-fledged, full-release account, including the white label and webinar bonuses, but wants an additional $50 off? If that's you, comment in the chat box, and the first 20 action takers will get a special coupon code that is nowhere else described. That's not on the page. You can't get about this coupon code anywhere else. That's going to take $50 off your purchase. Ladies and gentlemen, comment in the chat box if you want access to the limited time offer of the full VidDash account only for the people here on this webinar. Outside of this webinar, it is impossible to get this amount of value, especially at this price. Now, I'll ask the team nicely to drop the link in the chat box because I see a lot of people saying, yes, Dennis wants full access. I want the discount closest. Tanisha, Eddie says I'm buying. Bogdan says I want it. Heather, I see John. So if the team can go ahead and drop the link, because we only have 20 for the super discount. After that, it's still quite discounted, but obviously you want to have access to the super discount. So I'm going to check in with the team real quick. There we go. All right. Yes, they're activating the coupon right now. I see Tim just dropped the link in the chat box. Tim, can we pin it to the top? Yeah, I just did. Perfect. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the coupon and the link have just been dropped in the chat box. Oh, Tim, I think because it's a full URL, yeah, you noticed it. So if you can repost that with, yeah, you know what to do. So we're going to repost that link for you, ladies and gentlemen, because right now it had the coupon code attached to the link, which gets a 404. The coupon is just for you.
It is in the chat. Let me see here.
Yeah.
1 second.
There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, again, those of you that have access to this, you'll be able to dominate with the #1 most consumed type of content. All the platforms are right now begging for people to just upload videos. All platforms are begging to upload videos. Yeah, go ahead, Tim.
The sticky or the link should work now. So go check it out. And if you want to, we have the first 20 coupons is Act Now. If you use the coupon Act Now, you're going to get it for $247. And for everyone else, every other affiliate does not have access to this code. So you're only going to get it when you're here on the webinar if you act now. So make sure that you apply that coupon. It is coupon Act Now that will give you $50 off. And the link is in the chat, so you can go there. I can see coupons. Yes, people are already in. If you're in, let us know in the chat. I see Larry is already in. Congratulations, Larry. And let us know if you're in. So the first 20, we're going to reward fast action takers.
I love it. I love it. I love it. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, let us know if you're in so I can also make sure with the team that all the bonuses are uploaded into your account. And again, the first 20 only will get this massive discount. After that, you'll quickly notice that it's impossible to get it at this price point. So even no other affiliate has access to this. This is a specific coupon code, Act Now, specifically for action takers. And again, guys, you'll be able to create stunning videos to finally put your business out there professionally. You have people look at the videos and say, wow, this is interesting. How can I learn more? Where can I get more information? And you'll be able to do this for other people and have them pay you handsomely to do it. You have a tool that you can dominate where the market is headed with, which is video, video, video. If right now you can't do that, you're literally leaving tons of money on the table. Now, any other tool will cost you a fortune with tons of upgrades, and not only that, a lot or huge learning curve to understand. I once logged into Adobe and I literally got nauseous of the amount of buttons I had to click to just do a simple overlay. Now with VidDash, you have a tool that with one click, the AI takes care of everything. And everything is so simple, drag and drop. You just click, I want this, I want that, and I want that. And the AI makes it magic and produces a beautiful video that you can now publish anywhere and everywhere to start generating traffic with. On top of that, since you're on the webinar, you're getting the white label plus the web stories application, allowing you to get free traffic from Google, which is unheard of. Ladies and gentlemen, the link is in the chat box. If you have questions, let us know. If you're in, also
I'm gonna interrupt you for a few seconds, Raheem.
Go ahead.
I just checked, and all 20 coupons have been used already. So what we're gonna do? I'm gonna add 20 more here because some people could not access the link. So if you get the message that the coupon is no longer active, please refresh. I'm gonna add extra coupons to it right now to reward the fast action take. So it goes real quick. We were already have sold 20 copies, so that went pretty fast. So what's the coupon code? The coupon code is Act Now. Mary, Act Now. Or John asked, what's the coupon code? Act Now. So we refreshed it. If you see that the coupon is not available any longer, please refresh your screen and try it again.
Oh my, Tim, you are too nice, brother. You are too nice. But then again, fair enough, because there was a little bit of a hiccup with the link there. Not everyone could access.
Yeah, and we want to report fast action takers. You know, this goes so fast that, you know, yeah, I see people are in now. Yes. Okay, perfect.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Ladies and gentlemen, now I can assure you most likely that he won't extend it again, if I'm correct. So this is the last batch of coupons we'll add in again, because at the beginning, not everyone could access the link at the same time. So we do want to give everyone a fair chance. And again, we want to reward the action takers. So first and foremost, again, the link is in the chat box. The coupon is in the chat box as well. If you're having issues getting in, just ask us any question. We're here to help you out. If you have any questions before getting in, also let us know. We got Tim here live, right? And if I might add a few words here, ladies and gentlemen, I've seen Tim performing in the industry for quite some time, and obviously him together with his partner. And I can vouch for a fact that being part of some of the creation process and some of the products he's put out, the man has put out the most literally highest success story products that I've seen in terms of quality, in terms of use case, things that people actually need in the industry to move forward. And he's also one of the most ethical marketers I know for a fact. So Tim, I just wanted to mention that. And for the people that have never gotten something from Tim before, you can't go wrong here.
Appreciate it. Oh, people are saying I don't need the code, I need the link. So let's put in the link. Give me a second. Let's put it. The link is in the chat. Let me put it in one more time here. There we go. So the link is in the chat if you haven't found it. So let us know. So we got Erica who got in. Vance is in. Let me see. Who do we have more? I'm in now. Dog is in. Richard Miller is in. Carolyn is in. Heather is in. Dennis is in. Let me see. Who's more? Justin is in. PJ got it. Robert is in. Eddie, Purchase Mate, Sim, John, Eddie is in. James got it. Larry got it. Wow, you guys are amazing. And you're going to enjoy. I mean, we're proud of this software, and you're going to enjoy this software because it's a really smooth software. And you will notice that when you start working with the platform. So, yeah, thank you so much for all action takers. We really appreciate it. Super.
Exactly. Now, Tim, I don't know how many coupons are left. I actually can't see it, but feel free to let the people know how many are left.
Yeah, official. I've bumped it up to 40, and there are 33 already taken now. So there's 7 more left.
7 left. Yeah, 7 left. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the last 7 spots. And to all the 33 people that were smart enough to pick up that coupon, again, I want to say congratulations. You made a very wise and profitable decision. You understand where the market is headed. You understand that if you want to grow and scale your business, you need to have quality video out there, no matter what offer, no matter what niche, no matter what industry. And you obviously see the potential, the immense potential of making money with creating videos for any single person that needs them. So very, very smart move. I want to congratulate you on that. For the people that are still on the fence, act now, because we have, I think, already 6 now, if I'm correct, coupons left. And after that, I mean, I would hate for you to have to pay more for something you can grab right now with a 60% discount, if not more, and get a full bundle access to everything you need to dominate with video moving forward. And if you have any questions, also feel free to drop them in the chat, as we're on for a little bit longer now. But after that, it is lights out. So you see Barry just got in. Barry, congratulations as well. I see.
Thanks, James. Missed most of the presentation, but I trust Tim. So I mean, awesome, James. Enjoy your purchase.
Love it. I see. Let's see. Joseph got in.
Oh, this is a good question. Jim asked, I just ordered, but want to know more about the white label, example website, etc. What I want to say about the white label is that the white label is not available immediately, because right now we're launching VidDash. So we cannot give it out right now because we're launching it ourselves right now. So this will be available after the launch. It will be added to your account so that you can start selling your own accounts. So to make things clear, a lot of products that you see that people are bringing out, that vendors are bringing out, they call it white label, but actually the only thing that you can do is put a logo on the product. And then when you sell a copy of that product, your buyers have to log into the original product URL. So they see, hey, I can purchase that product myself. Why should I buy it from you with a subscription, right? So what we've done is our white label is 100% white label, which means you can upload your logo, but next to that, you can run this on your own domain, which means that when you sell VidDash accounts, or you can name it whatever you would like to name it, you can sell it on your own domain with your own branding for the price that you want to charge for it. So you can even charge a monthly fee to sell accounts. And this is huge. And honestly, for the price that you're getting it right now, when you're using that coupon code ACTNOW, or ACTNOW, I mean, this is a no-brainer in my opinion. This is a super offer that you won't find anywhere else for this price. So I just want to have that said, that I mean, this is an offer that you won't see you won't see it quickly. Let me see if there are some questions here.
There you go. I'm so glad actually that you pointed that out, Tim, right there, because indeed you have white label, or you have actually white label, and just slapping a logo on something doesn't mean it's white label. A lot of people mix that up. So ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to get here is real 100% white label. And because of that, it can only happen right after the launch. Nonetheless, you'll have access to it 100% safe and sound. So I'm super excited for all the people that grab this, because this is, again, only available for you guys on this webinar.
Okay, someone said that he had problems logging into the software. If you have a problem with the software, or if you your login details haven't arrived, you know, sometimes there are technical issues. We do everything to deliver our product immediately, but sometimes it goes wrong. Please write to support@viddash.pro. If you need support, I'm gonna or Ankit will reply to you with your login details. So make sure to go to that email address. So it's support@viddash.pro if you need support with the product. And what do I see? I saw another question. Someone said, will you demonstrate the program, or is this only a sales dialogue? I think, Sylvia, you joined late because we did a full demo on the product. So we showed the product already to everyone who was on the webinar. And let me see, on YouTube, people are also in because we're streaming this to YouTube at the same time. So Sharp T, I'm in. Happy to have you here. Semigen Giri, it's saying exceeded the max number. So it seems like we're over the number again. So it's you guys love this.
I mean, how can they not? This is literally what you need to start dominating online. You need to put out video content, and not just any video content, but high quality. And that's what you guys have made here today. So I totally see how. And again, everyone that got this, congratulations with your purchase. But I mean, team, that means that the coupon's not available anymore, correct?
Yeah, the coupons should be, let me see here. Well, I see here there is still 2 available. So I'm not sure. Maybe it was I can see the time on YouTube, but I'm in. Someone says Mathieu is in. Hey, Mathieu, welcome. Thanks for following here. Yeah, Sumugen. Oh, you're already purchased. So yeah, just Sumugen. Not sure if I pronounced your name correctly, but please write to support@viddash.pro so that we can help you with your access. So another coupon when the coupons are gone is the coupon that you can use is Early Dash. So that will give you $40 off. So the $50 coupons are almost gone. So that's the coupon Act Now. If that coupon is no longer available, you can go for Early Dash as coupon that will give you $40 off.
Just a quick question, Tim. I see early bundle here. Is it early?
That's also working. Yes,
okay.
On the checkout page. If the coupon Act Now is not working for the 50 off, you could continue with the early bundle.
Okay, awesome.
Coupon. That's also a working coupon.
Perfect. Now, guys, I do want to add something in for those of you that haven't noticed on the checkout. Besides all the amazing features you're going to get and the full-fledged account, the full release of VidDash, there are some additional bonuses for you guys right here as well, as you're also going to get a practical back-end training on how to create a 6-figure income with VidDash AI. You're going to get our X Converter Pro app to convert like a pro, and our Apps Builder Pro app to create beautiful apps. So there's some nice goodies inside for those of you that take action here today. And by far, my favorite is this one here, because you don't just want a software, you want something that will help you grow. And therefore, you'll have a practical and nice back-end training to show you how you can actually make money with it. And even still, all you have to do, if anything, is log in, start creating videos, publish them if you have a website on your website, but definitely publish them to social platforms like YouTube or any other platform you're active on, and start working the algorithm. That's something I want to give everyone. And you'll now be able to easily do that with the power of VidDash, power of ReadUp, power of Replier. You'll have everything you need to create videos like the pros. So with that being said, I think we're almost wrapping up. I'll just check with the team as well. If you have any final questions, it is literally now or never to grab this at its lowest price point that is available right now, right? Because the initial action taker coupons are gone. Well, $40 off is still a very considerable discount in my opinion. So if you missed out on the 50, definitely grab it at $40 discount. And that just goes to show that this is not some fake scarcity. It is real. After the $40 discount is gone, it might not have any discount at all. As a matter of fact, the price might even go up. So you already missed it once. If you haven't got it in, don't miss it again, because the discounts get less and less and less until the price has no discount at all and even gets more expensive. So do yourself a favor. If you didn't grab it at 50 off, try 40 off before it's too late. Now, Tim, do you have any final words you maybe want to share with this amazing audience that I can't wait to see their videos of? Let me know.
Yeah, I'm super grateful for everyone who purchased this. I mean, yeah, it was really hot. I mean, many people took advantage of the coupon code Act Now, and yeah, we're blown away by the support. And yeah, guys, enjoy the software. I mean, I work with Ankit. You know, I'm not the developer. Ankit is the developer. I work closely with him, and I decided to work with Ankit only from now on. So, and that's because he's producing high quality products, and that's the same thing with VidDash. When I tested it for the first time, I was blown away by the speed, how it worked, how fast it renders, etc. So, yeah, thank you so much for putting your trust in us. And again, if you have any questions, make sure to ask support. And yeah, we're gonna wrap it up right now because we need to continue to another one. But yeah, everyone, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your time. And yeah, that's it from my side.
All right. Have a great one, guys. You were amazing. Go ahead and log in and create some beautiful videos. I can't wait to see them all over the internet. Leverage this tool to its maximum extent. See you on the inside. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Cheers, guys.